Birthday Party, Part 1. Ow. Ow. Oh. Tiff, wake up. Tiff. Whoa. What's wrong? What do we do? I don't know, Taylor. What day are we today? We're the 3rd of March. Yes, in 2 days it's my birthday. Yay! I'm so happy. Furby! Furby! Are you awake, Furby? I'm going to have breakfast. Are you coming? Yeah. Come on. Come in. What can we have for breakfast? I don't know what we can have for breakfast. Let's have cereal. Here's your bowl. Can you get the cereal, please? Sure. What time is it? Why do I feel like we've woken up really early? I don't know. You woke me up. Yum. What do you want to do now? Has Daddy gone to work yet? I don't think so, but we can't go through where their room is because Auntie and Grandma are sleeping in the hallway. What happens if we want to play outside? Well, we gotta get dressed first, so we better go get dressed. Put a hat on or something, or a scarf. My hat's in my dance bag. I'm going to put my hat on. And what are you going to wear? I haven't got any Christmas hats or something. I'm going to wear my scarf. Come on. Let me go get my scarf. Yep. My hat's in there. My hat's here. Yeah. Well, can you not wear it? There we go. I've got it on. I'm going to get my scarf. Here's my scarf. There we go. Tiffany, we can go. Come on, we gotta be quiet. Hang on. Boom. So what do you want to play? I don't know. I'm getting on the trampoline. Oh, I wanted to do the seesaw. so? I can't do it by myself. Yeah, you can. No, I can't. I can. Come on. Why did you fall off? Because I did. It's play on a trampoline. The one that can do the most in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Stop! I done 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop! I done more than you. In the house. Honey, you need to wake up. You gotta go to work. Oh, yeah, I'll wake up. Okay. Come on. Why did you got all of our presents in here? What happens if she comes into our room? She won't, because Auntie and Grandma are just out there, so they won't come in my room. Don't worry. Tiffany won't find out. Okay. I don't want breakfast. I'm just gonna go have a shower and I'm gonna leave. Yeah, I'm gonna go wake up the girls. Okay. You guys are awake? Yeah, we've been awake. The girls woke us up the outside. What the hell were they awake? What time did they wake up at? I'm gonna go see them. Yeah, fine. Girls, what are you doing outside at this time in the morning? It's really it's cold out here. I've got my hat on. And I've got my scarf. Okay, but if you catch cold, don't come blaming me. Yeah. So what are you guys doing? Look, Mum, look what I can do on the trampoline. What? Wee! I done a front flip. And I can do a roly-poly, look. Oh, girls. I can't wait until it's Tiffany's birthday. Listening, she'll be the same age as me. I've had enough of being the older one. You'll still be the older one at Tiffany's birthday. You know that. I know. But I am proud to be the older one. Oh, la la. Huh? What are the girls doing up here? I better go to work. Bye, honey. Bye. Meet us at Corjo's for having drinks today. Okay, I'll meet you there. What time? 1:30. Okay, I'll meet you there. Bye, Daddy. Bye, girls. Okay, girls, your father's gone. What do you want to do? We're not going to Corjo's until 1:30, and it's only 7:30 right now. 7:30? Taylor, what time did you wake me up? Put your hat back on, Tiffany, or you're going inside. But I'm going to have a shower. Here's my hat, keep it. The house. Tiffany's birthday's coming up. Are you guys talking about me? How did you sleep in my bed, Auntie Angela? Oh, I slept fine, darling, fine. And you, Grandma? Perfect. But why did you wake us up so early, darling? Now I don't know what to do. I'm not that hungry yet. Sorry. Yes, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's just next time, don't wake us up so early. Yeah, but Taylor woke me up and we didn't know what to do, so we went outside and we didn't know we woke you up. I'm I'm gonna have a shower. Yeah, and my present. Cool. Mom, when did you go shopping to buy me presents? End of part 1.